Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, we the students of class 8th B, Aishwarya, Anaya, Arshdeep, Avika, Ridhya, Nandini, Manya Anand, Manya Mathur, Ronisha, Rishita, Jia, and Zara start today's assembly with the message: Smile when you are sad and feeling bad. It is that sweet little smile which has the power to change your life.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends, I welcome you all in today's assembly. Please join your hands for today's prayer.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Today's news. International news. Bangladesh lift lockdown to celebrate exasperating exports. National news. Human to human transmission of bird flu is rare. No need to panic, says AIMS chief. Sports news. Second ODI. Chahar emerges unlikely hero as India beats Sri Lanka by 3 wickets. Today's weather will be the highest will be 31 degrees Celsius and the lowest will be 26 degrees Celsius.
Thought of the day: Smile brings happiness in life. I repeat, smile brings happiness in life.
The topic of our assembly is Think Good, Do Good, and Smile. When you smile, not only you feel happy, but you bring a ray of light into the lives of others.
When he can face a difficult situation with happiness and laughter. यदि किसी परिस्थिति के लिए सही शब्द नहीं है तो मुस्कुराइए. शब्द उलझा सकते हैं. मुस्कुराहट हमेशा काम आती है.
If every step is taken in the remembrance of God, just imagine how much fortune is there in every moment.
Good
In
morning,
the
ma'am.
world of constant sorrow, what brings greater wealth, money, or happiness?
The wealth of a rich man can be stolen, but the happiness and wisdom of the wise remains.
The one who is honest and has a true heart will always feel light and tension free. मुसीबत आए ईमानदार रहे, क्रोध आए शांत रहे, यही जीवन का प्रबंधन है.
The more you enjoy putting in good efforts, the greater will be your happiness on receiving fruits of those efforts. वक्त से हारा या जीता नहीं जाता, केवल सीखा जाता है.
We end the assembly with this note. Many people will want to quarrel or fight with you. Realize that the only weapons you need are a smile and a loveful attitude which brings happiness in your life. Now, we request respected Principal Ma'am to motivate us with some encouraging words.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Class 8, for a lovely assembly that you put forward. Early morning talking about smile, I think that's the most beautiful thing you could do. I was, when I was a kid your age, I remember there was this particular puzzle that we had, and that said, which is the longest word in English? And it goes a long way. in keeping everything positive. And I kept wondering, because I knew all those long words like hippopotamonstrous, copepalism, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. But it said it wasn't, and I knew that because it was a puzzle, it didn't have to be one of those. It had to be something different. And then the answer came out to be smiles, because between the two S's, you have a mile. So no word could be as long as that. So, and smiles, they do have a long way to go in keeping you happy, in keeping everything around you positive. The moment you smile, you tell the person that you're smiling to that the person is most welcome in your world, and that your heart is open to that person. And nothing could be warmer than that. And experience this, when you come back to school, or when you're sitting in family now, anybody who comes that you come across during the day, um, forget about even greeting, just give a smile, and the day is made for that person. You're receiving a guest, you're receiving your parents who are coming back after a hard day's work, or they've gone out shopping in this weather. Even shopping is a disaster. I mean, you could be sweating the whole day, even if you are in a mall. And so whenever you find somebody who is particularly in a difficult situation, and you just give a smile, and the person would forget one's fatigue, person would forget about one's tiredness and one's negativity. If a person's angry, that anger would be gone. I mean, you receive your mother when she's very angry, with you. I'm telling you, I'm a mother myself, so I'm giving you a cue here. That whenever your mom's angry with you, just give a little cute smile, and her anger would melt away. So that's the magic of smile. And thank you so much for bringing this out early morning on this beautiful Thursday. And I think that's the way we can begin our day and keep going through the day with a smile on our face. And you put one on my face. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. Enjoy yourself, study well, eat well, and pray that we get back together in the school and we are happy together again. We are happy, but we'll be happier together again. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day, all of you children, my dear colleagues and parents who are listening. Have an awesome day. Thank you.
Now, I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem. Thank you. Now you all may proceed with your online classes.